TUNGNATH, a religious spot in Uttarakhand, which gives something more than the religious sentiment. We begin our trek from Chaukhamba. TUNGNATH Temple is around 4 km up from here. Vibrant with the bounty of nature, TUNGNATH attracts people from all walks of life. The altitude is approximately 3,600 meters. It is a medium-level trek and takes 3 to 4 hours. One can either trek or ride pony to reach TUNGNATH Temple. The trekking path takes us through some marvellous lush green meadows on the mountain. People with spiritual belief or not fall in love with this place, having striking natural beauty of mountain range. Some enthusiastic trekkers also explore unconventional paths to add more excitement and enjoy another dimension of beauty, which one can miss on pony ride. The weather during the summer is quite pleasant. You may go for TUNGNATH trek from May to October. However, it is better to avoid rainy season in between. You can also trek in winter between January and March to enjoy the exciting snow-covered beauty. But the temple remains closed at that time, and the deity of Lord TUNGNATH is taken to Mukumot Temple. The immaculate natural beauty and sensation of the mountains make us spellbound. The journey itself is a rewarding experience. Huffing, puffing, we complete the last lap of our trek. And finally reach the temple vicinity. We find one priest is standing in front of a shop. TUNGNATH is the highest Shiva Temple of PanchKedar or 5 Kedar shrines. It is also one of the highest Shiva temples in the world. We worship Lord Shiva in the temple. And fortunately, it is not crowded like Kedarnath. Next attraction is Chandrashila. In the very early morning, we start walking up the mountain to catch the sunrise from Chandrashila top. The path is safe, nevertheless, one has to be careful. Gradually, the pall of darkness is going off. As we finish the last step, suddenly we see the breathtaking view in front of us. The beauty of the rising sun from behind the mountain, the fiery colors on the snow-clad peak, everything is beyond description. We all are captivated and have become crazy seeing this heavenly beauty. I wish if I could hold the moment forever. Now it's time to go back. Mesmerized with the beauty of nature, I slowly come down through the rocky surface. My shadow follows me as my inseparable companion. On the way, we find several groups are going to Chandrashila. Slowly, they are climbing up. Years after years, people take this challenge just to explore the splendor of nature. And the journey continues.